Okay, so today I will show you how to remove the translation in the animation in Blender. So what we have to do, first thing is to import our model. So this is my Collada model. So as you can see, we have a working animation and the jumping animation. Okay, I will shade it smooth. Now you can see the character actually move up due to the translation part of the rotation matrix. So I don't want that. I want to remove that entirely. So what am I going to do? Very easy. First thing, you just need to click to your armatures and go to this animation. Then you can see a new interface like this. Okay, then when I click a bones, it will display the information and the keyframes attached to that bones. Or you can of course press A for select all the bones. Now in the search bar, you have to type the keyword. Now the keyword actually uh, the translation mean the location. The keyword is the location, rotation, and scale. So what we want to type in is the location, because that's what we want to get rid of. So I will click here the location keyword, and then I will simply just drag the mouse to all the bones here and the keyframes like this. So I drag my mouse to the first bone. Very important because it's the root bones. The root bone usually contain the translation. And now I will click to delete frames, and don't worry because all the data is still maintained. So yep, you can see all the rotation of the bones still there, nothing changed, but we don't have the annoying translation. Okay, so that's all.